Hello YouTube. Today we are going to be looking at a 3-shelf bookcase, cherry color I believe, or cherry brand, I don't know. And here are the specs for those of you do-it-yourselfers, if you can actually see them clearly. There we go, there are the specs. Pause and look at them. We gotta turn a whole bunch of wood into that. This was at K-Mart that's going out of business. For I believe it was $24 when retail usually it's like 50% off. It's usually $40 to $44. Um, got this because of my mother and I both got this because Job and I are we're starting a studio, and we really need another desk for Job to edit on and for me to edit on when we both use the Mac. So let's get started with the time lapse, man. Come on, come the F on. All right, yeah, here it is. A lot of you are gonna be like, "Whoa, Josh, it's not the way it's supposed to be. It's a bookshelf or a vase shelf or something like that for decorative purposes." No, I've repurposed this beautiful thing into a video Mac Mini editing studio, and I guess you could also put your big computer in it. It's really hard to see in this room, but you know, there's not much really to see. You've seen the bookshelf, you saw the picture. It's a bookshelf, but flip to the side. It holds my 1080p 24-inch curved Samsung monitor, wireless keyboard with trackpad, cell phone, Mac Mini with the external fans, 2 speakers, a mouse and a mouse pad. It holds it all extremely well, as long as you level. If you have it all in one spot, you're pretty screwed. Um, but yeah, I've repurposed it into a video editing studio for Job and I. And I'm very happy with it. It was pretty cheap, you know. I mean, not Best Buy, Kmart going out of business, having it 50-60% off was really awesome. Really helped out. And I think it's made of plywood or something like that. I don't know. And I really don't care. For the people in the comments are going to be like, well, you could have gotten it for like $18, $15 somewhere else. Thank you. I appreciate your input. I really do. But I'm glad I got it at Kmart. Um, and yeah, so this is awesome. This is just really cool. Really happy. Now we actually have 2 tables. We have that table right there, and we have that table right there. 2 different styles for 2 different people. 2 different computers. 2 different setups. So I'm pretty happy.